Let's grab all of these quotes, and I'm going to copy. And now we're going to head over to Canva, and here we're going to create a new Instagram post, a square post right here. Let's click on that. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to come up with a template for this post. Now, this could be anything. You could create it yourself. You can, of course, design as much as you want or as little as you want. The key thing here is going to be to have a place for the quote itself and a place for the attribution for whoever said the quote. So we can scroll through this. You can find something that you'd like, using a combination of the various features in Canva. This isn't a whole tutorial on Canva. We can find something. Let's take this relatively simple one. And if we now go through and we're going to do a bulk create, what we need to do is we need to enter data manually. So we're going to click on that, and you can see here that this has basically created a table. If we click on the first cell here, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to say paste, now you can see it's pasted in all of the quotes and it's pasted in who it was said by. Now, a lot of the time it's unknown, but nevertheless, it's there. At the top here, we have the name of the column. So let's just call this the quote so we know what we're dealing with. And over here, let's just call this attribution. Okay, perfect. And then we go done. All right. Now, before we actually start generating these quotes, if there's anything that you want to change over here that's going to be present on all of the posts, then change that now. So for example, over here it's got a website. I'm going to put my website, so drterryfisher.com. Okay. I'm going to change out the color a little bit. My branding is actually a slightly different color, so maybe I'll make that blue. The yellow is nice, but this is my actual branding color. And this line, I'm going to change that as well to my branding color. Okay, perfect. And even the font, I'm going to change that to a font that I tend to use in my branding. Perfect. Okay. What we do need is we have the quote here, but we need a place for that attribution. So I'm going to just copy and paste this. And now I'm going to put it down here. And I'm going to make this smaller.